Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. And I'd like to show you how to make this nice, good cheese mozzarella sticks. Easy to do. Follow along with me, and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, we're going to start off with this. We're going to cut it down into little cubes. Okay, next you want to get them into all flour and roll them in there real good. Okay, while we're waiting on the cheese to get cold in the freezer, we're going to stir up 3 eggs. Okay, on another end we're going to have some breadcrumbs. Right here, Italian breadcrumbs. Okay, what you want to do is you want to take your cheese, put it into your batter. Alright, onto the egg, into the breadcrumbs. And then back into your egg mixture. And then once more into the breadcrumbs. About like that right there. Okay, we're going to repeat that right here. Okay, we're going to drop in our cheese mozzarella sticks. Do 2 at a time. Hey, take a look at this. Look at the cheese on that. Look. That is so delicious. Okay, take a look at that. Let's zoom in on that. Let's zoom down on this. Right there. Look at that now. Look at the cheeses. Look at that cheese right there. Everything. Just trying to... Let's take us apart. Look at that. Look at the gooey cheese. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Wow. Well, that is good right there. That's good. The only thing that it's missing, and then it'd be complete. Hang on, be right back. Okay, now let's do a taste test on this. Now we got us some nice good sauce here to go with it. Look at that. That's good. I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.